Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Common Design, and today we're going to share ideas on how to use all of the stickers in the Woodland Seasons big sticker book. Now I have the classic in the Christmas, but in the regular I have the big because it was on sale. If I find the classic I'll also buy the classic because I love this sticker book. But let's have a look at some ideas and share with you how you can use these stickers as they are, different ways, and also ideas for using them in your classic or mini or your skinny happy planner. All right, the first thing that I will say is that these big stickers, the big vertical stickers, the horizontal stickers, these work great in the classic if you're decorating your currently page or you're using the dashboard, because you can put those big stickers on this side and they don't look out of place or odd. So yes, think about using them in your dashboard planner or your currently page if you're using them in a classic size planner. The other thing that you can do with many of these stickers is this is the vertical size, is that you can cut them down. So you could cut that down to there. I mean, you know, you can't really see that, but to there. You could just cut it down, or you could just have it big on the page. Again, that would go there, that would go there, and that would be anywhere really. But again, you could cut that out and that's in your vertical size. Now I've just shown you an idea here as well of using these in a more functional way. Sticker paper or a box, sticker paper or a box, sticker paper or a box. So yes, these you could trim down. They would fit the classic if you just trim the edges off. Again, great for a currently page in a classic size. Great in a currently page for a classic size. But yeah, I again love these. Love, love, and love. Little flags here, perfect. You could even take these and put them in space of where those circles are and have more of a flag or a time or something like that. These are beautiful. I love using these in the monthly. I've said this before, but these are just beautiful. Now again, you've got stickers here. Again, if you're using this in the classic, this could go in the currently or the dashboard. If you're using it in your big, use it as is. If you're using it and you just want more function, again, get yourself some sticker paper. Clearly bigger than this, but yeah, get yourself some sticker paper and put some sticker paper in there. The other thing that you can do is you think about these and you can cut them down, and that is a vertical, and that is a vertical box, and you've got two there, two vertical boxes that are decorative. Again, same applies here. This is a double vertical box. You could just put that, cut the ends off, and you've got a box that will fit your classic vertical. Little checklist boxes there, checklist circles there. These are for the big monthly boxes, but you don't have to use them in the big monthly. Again, cut them down. Your scissors should be your best friend. Sticker paper should be your best friend. Now I've got a little thing here. If you're using these and you want them to be more functional, you could put a little sticker paper in there instead. Little sticker paper in there. This is the classic size, by the way. This is the classic size that I've cut here. So you could just get a classic size box and put it straight in and it would fit. It would fit. So that is one thing that you could do. The other thing that you could do is just use a circle or something to cover up the corner. You could use another box to cover up that corner and layer it. Or, again, take your scissors and just cut the box, cut it up. Now you saw that the classic size here, I can get a classic square. This is the classic square out of there as 1.5 by 1.5. Classic square there, classic square there. You could even just get that one, classic square. Yeah, you could get all of those Maybe not that one, just because of the way that the design is. You could if you cut top of the pumpkin, toadstool off. But yeah, cut them up. Again, cut these up, cut them down to size. Again, I've shown you before, you don't have to have this end. Flag the end, make it one of the pointy in, make it one of the pointy outs. You got the dashboard boxes here. I have a way of making these into a regular box like this. All you have to do, well, one thing that you could do, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Take this one, put it here, and then you've got like a header top to there. If you don't want to do that because you want to use this somewhere else, take this. I'm going to do it with this one because I don't like them. Cut. This is the end you have to be careful of. Cut. And then layer it on top. Again, I've got a little bit of white there I want to get rid of. Just going to cut that out. And then you have a regular box. If you're not going to use it in a dashboard layout, I wouldn't. I don't like doing that. Do it like that. The other thing that you can do is when you've done these, you could do some that way. You don't have to use them horizontally. And again, even if you don't like this, take one of these, put that on there. You could even use these there, put those there. Cover up that little corner thing, that little corner notch. A little corner notch. Again, these can cut down. These have enough of space that you could cut those there and have a regular box without the title header on there. But yeah, you don't have to have that, whatever it is, on there. Note to self, I don't need that. Just give me a box. Just give me a box. Little flags. I like using the little flags on the bottom of the boxes, like so. Gives me a little checklist almost for that. The other thing, again, I mentioned this before, but once you've used this page and you've used the stickers off it, if you cut this there, then you've got a little like sidebar box space that you can layer down on your page. Got some quotes on white here that are in foil. You don't have to use them in the way that they are. Spring, cut, is in, cut, the air. You can use that horizontally. You can use this horizontally. You can move them. Spring is in, the air. Move them, cut them to fit where you want them. These little things, use them on the top of boxes. Use them on the inside of the boxes. I mean, they've shown you ideas here. Use them on the inside of the boxes. Like, use them in between the tops of your pages here. Again, you could layer another box in there if you don't like that. You could cut around that box, make it for the classic. Tons of ideas. If you wanted a square one, you could cut that there, and then you've got little washi tape strips. Again, these will look great over those monthly boxes to cover the notch. So cute. So cute. These are lovely. If you don't want the extra space, maybe they don't fit, cut that there, cut it there, and then you've got a little extra bit there, and you've got a little extra bit there. Cut these down so that they fit into your classic. Again, these will work great on the currently or the dashboard planner. Beautiful, beautiful. Even these you can cut up. Fall in love with, and then life here, because you can't really cut this up. This in love with is stuck how it is because it's on this leaf. But if you want another one of the mushrooms, but you don't want the quote, just cut that off. This one you can't really cut up, and this one you can't really cut up because the going and are the same, but you could put keep here, keep going, and keep growing could be over here. You can cut up 1, 2, 3, 4. You can cut that into 4 rather than the 5 with the and. So keep is here, going and keep growing. Again, you can't really cut the flowers away from these, but you can put the spring and the flowers is in the air and the flowers together. Again, if you want these, but you don't want the quote, cut that off. Seasons change and so do we. Make it horizontal. Make it horizontal. Beautiful. We've already gone over those. Again, they're the same. They've just got gold on them. Just cut them off. Just cut them off. And if you want these, but you don't want the gold and you've used all the others, just cut the gold off. It literally takes off not even 1/4 of an inch. It's the tiniest amount. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Again, cut them down. Cut them into strips. Use them any way you can. Put, again, sticker paper in there. I think these kind of trip some people up a little bit. I like these on the edge of a box. I've said this before. I like them on the edge of a box. Give it more of a highlight and stuff like that. And again, you've got choices of where you put it. Choices of where you put it. So yeah, got choices of where you put it. The other thing, if you really don't like these, if you really don't like this shape and you're like, that shape is not for me, turn them on their side, cut them there, and you've got some bullets and you've got some bullets. I mean, they're big, but you might use that more than you use the other things. There's only 5, so you couldn't use them to read 8. Those you could use to read 8. Again, these are the little Avery stickers, the little Avery dots. They just come on a little sheet. They're like 3/4 of an inch. You get them at anywhere, but they also sometimes have them at Dollar Tree. Those are great for redating your planner. Or, you know, maybe you just want something different to what's there. And again, I showed you how to cut these down. You could just cut that there. You could cut that there, have a vertical box. Again, change the way that these are oriented. Do what makes you happy. Make them horizontal rather than vertical. Beautiful. Beautiful. Again, use them in boxes. Use them at the top where your dates are in your planner. Oh, I love that you get so many pages. These, I love these. I love to use these in this bit on my dashboard, in this bit. They just work great as a header in this bit. And if I was using this, I would cut it down. Again, you don't have to have it this length because that's for the big. This is the classic. And you could just, all you have to do is cut a little bit here, smush it down and just layer it back onto itself. So just cut there and then layer it there. And then you've just smushed it down a little bit. These I love, again, either in the monthly or in the weekly. They go anywhere. They go inside of a box, like anywhere. This is the same page, is it not? This is the same page as before. Like, I don't know. And that's it. Yeah. All right. I hope that just showed you how you can use some of the stickers and alter them, change them to use them in different planners. Even though this is a big, you can use them for other planners. You're not stuck if you have a classic, only buying the classic stickers, or if you have a mini, only buying the mini stickers. You can switch and change and stuff like that. You're not forced to keep with the same ones. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.